students, this is Rishiraj. Problem on circumference of a circle from 8th standard. The problem will be like this. The circumference of a circle is 22 centimeters. The circumference of a circle is 22 centimeters. Find its area and also find the area of the semicircle. And also find the area of semicircle. The circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is 22 centimeters. 22 centimeters. Then find its area. Find its area. Find its area and also find the area of A and also find area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle. And also find the area of the semicircle. Right. The circumference of a circle is 22 centimeters. Find its area. We have to find the area of circle. What is given? Circumference of the circle is given by 22 centimeters. Circumference means total length of the circle. The total length of the circle is 22 centimeters. Then find its area. We have to find the area, means inside the circle. We have to find the place inside the circle, area of the circle, and also find the area of the semicircle. The area of the semicircle. Right? Suppose there is a circle. Take a circle. It center some point. This is the center. This circle's circumference is given by circumference of circle is given. Circumference of circle. This is given by 22 centimeters is equal to 22 centimeters. This is the given data. So what is the formula of circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the formula for finding circumference of a circle. Yes. Now 2 pi r is equal to how much value? Is given by 22 centimeters. 2 pi r is equal to 22 centimeters. Then what is the value of pi? We know that the value of pi is 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. On both sides we can cancel 22. Otherwise we can use cross multiplication also. In the numerator position we can write 22 by 1. On the both sides 22 cancel. We can cancel. Otherwise we can use cross multiplication. Okay, I am using cross multiplication. 22 I am not cancelling. Okay, 1 into 22. 1 into cross multiplication. 1 into 2 into 22 into r. 2 into 22 into r is equal to 722 the 7 into 22. 7 into 22. So r is equal to, finding the value of r is equal to these two will divide on the right side. R is equal to 7 into 22 by 2 into 22. That is 22 ones are 22 ones are cancel. 22 ones are 22 ones are cancel. What we have here? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means what? 7 by 2 is equal to half of 7, 3.5. The radius is 3.5 centimeters. With the help of given data, the circumference of the circle is 22. I use the formula 2 pi r is equal to 22. From this, I found the value of radius is given by 3.5. Now, our question is find the area of the circle. Find the area of the circle. So, the area of the circle is the area of circle. Area. So, means this radius is the radius. This is the radius. Radius is equal to 3.5. Radius is equal to 3.5 centimeters. We have to find the total area. So area of circle is equal to A is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. That is equal to, area is equal to, pi means 22 by 7. R value is 3.5. 3.5 whole square. That is equal to, A is equal to 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. So 3.5 into 3.5 we have to find, because we have square. Square means we can multiply 2 times. 3.5 into 3.5. In the rough work, 3.5 into 3.5. 5 5 is 25, 2 5 is 15 plus 2 17, 3 5 is 15, 1 this is 9 plus 2 11. So 5 12 3 13 25. How many digits? Decimal points? 2 decimal points. 13.25. So A is equal to 22 into 13.25 by 7. Again we have to multiply with the 22. 13.25 into 22. 13.25 into 22. 22. So 2650 and 2650. 2650. So 5 11 9 29,000 means what? 291.5. Area is equal to 291.5 by 7. 291.5 by 7. So we can divide with 7. 291.5 by 7. So 7 we divide with 7. 291.5. 7 3 is 7 4 the 28. 1 is remaining, 1 down, point 7 ones are 7, remaining 4, 5 is point 7 6 are 42, 7 6 are 42, remaining 3 30, 7 4 are 28, remaining 2, 7 2s are 14. Okay, 41.64. 41.64. Area is 41.64. Okay, area of semicircle. Next, this is the area of circle. 41.64 centimeter square. 41.64 centimeter square. Then The second question is there. Area of semicircle. Semicircle means half circle. Semicircle means half circle. So that is the area of semicircle area is pi r square. This total area by 2. This area will be half of the total area. This area will be half of the total area. So pi r square by 2. So area of semicircle is equals to half of the area of circle, half of this one, 41.64. That is, we can divide 41.64 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 0, 16.28 16, 2 twos are 4. 20.82 centimeter square is the area of the semicircle. Thank you students for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel Rishiraj Mathematics. Thank you.